This is a message from Archangel Chamuel and Archangel Charity. Whatever problems you are currently going on in your life, whether it's related to finance, relationship, education, or any problem in general, the message which I get is that open your heart and be generous, be more giving. As we are on this human journey, many of times we feel like we need to restrict ourselves, we need to create a shield and protect ourselves. But archangels just want you to be yourself, your authentic self. Whatever problem or situation is there in your life, just start visualizing and sending it hearts made with pink light. Go on giving that. Do this visualization every day before you go to sleep, and imagine that problem dissolving in the thin air and disappearing altogether. This visualization is very powerful, and you must try it. Blow off all the problems, whatever you have, with the soft pink light of Archangel Chamuel. He's there to support you, he's there to remove the problems which you have in your life. You just have to open your heart and let the problem disappear altogether without thinking too much about the problem. When you're giving a problem too much attention, too much focus, the problem might many a times appear more bigger and more larger than it is. Sometimes we have all these imaginations are just in our head, they're not yet in our reality. Also, if you see people who need your love, who need your attention, understand what they need. They could be shielding that in form of some anger, in form of some resistance. Whatever the person is, they might be also evolving in their own way, in their own time. Give them the love. If you cannot love them, you don't have to shower them lovely words in front of them. They may not understand, because they might be also angry or upset with you due to some reason or the other. But yes, you can always visualize and send them unconditional love, so which I mean to say, it's a divine love which is without any attachment. Go on doing this. Archangels are with you. They will support you to heal the issue, to heal the relationship, to heal the problems, whatever you are going on in your life. And the more you give love, what archangels are saying, the more you will receive love in back. So let's say you're earning your financial problem, you're going through some financial problem, and you're earning comparatively less than what you envision. Start donating at least a little amount of money to some charity, some social organization. That's where our Archangel Charity also comes into picture. Do that in a small proportion, whatever you feel you know is possible for you, and then the universe will some way or the other also give you back. That is something assured. Okay, so love don't really come back from the same person, it could come back from the other person, other place, other situation, but it is definitely going to come back. Just open your heart and let the situation heal onto yourself. Just go with the flow. So this is also a very strong message which I'm getting from the unicorns. They are just saying, don't worry, go with the flow. The more you open your heart, and the more you go on giving people or the situation love, pink love, they are going to dissolve and disappear from your life altogether. Do this, and something which will definitely work. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section what you think about the message which you got from the archangels and also from the unicorn. Lots of blessings, love, and light to you, and I'm pretty sure your problems are going to disappear completely. So don't worry, go with the flow and open your heart. And for more such content, you can also subscribe